The most important words from the story. 1. Parrot. 2. Try. 3. Buy. 4. Excited. 5. Teach. 6. Talk. 7. Morning. 8. Especially. 9. Hope. 10. Repeat. 11. Forgot. 12. Feed. 13. Entered. 14. Room. 15. Shouted. 16. Breakfast. 17. Shocked. 18. Coffee. 19. Stop. 20. Hungry. The most important sentences from the story. 1. Ahmed bought a parrot. 2. He was excited to teach it to talk. 3. Every morning, he said, "Good morning," to the parrot. 4. He hoped the parrot would repeat after him. 5. After weeks of trying, the parrot remained silent. 6. One day, Ahmed forgot to feed the parrot. 7. The next morning, Ahmed entered the room. 8. The parrot shouted, "Where's my breakfast?" 9. Ahmed was shocked and almost dropped his coffee. 10. From that day on, the parrot wouldn't stop talking. 11. The parrot talked especially when it was hungry. 12. Ahmed realized the parrot had learned to speak.